Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you'll discover how to easily add a location in Google Maps, making it simpler for others to find your favorite spots. Whether it's your favorite cafe, a hidden gem, or just a place you want to share, adding location has become super easy and quick. Many users struggle with the process of adding locations, often finding it confusing or time consuming. You might have tried before and got lost in the menus or just didn't know where to start. It can feel overwhelming sometimes, especially if you are not tech savvy. But don't worry, you are not alone in this. I'm here to break it down step by step for you. We'll tackle all little questions you might have so you can confidently add any location to you want without any hassle. Now let me walk you right through it. We start by launching the Google Map apps. When your interface is displaying, you click on the Contribute tab. Mind you, before you start this purpose, you must be signed in with your Gmail account. And when this is done, you come to Add Place. There's a pop-up that is displayed. You first start by adding the name you want to give to the location you want to add to Google. In my case, I want to name it as Nexus Engineering Limited. Then you further go onto your category. The options for food, shopping, or services. So we go on further to select services. And the whole list of services you can add. So if you don't find the list of category you're looking for, you can also go ahead to search. But in my case, it's an engineering firm, so I'll go with an engineering consultant. And then we can add a location. When you're done entering your category, you click on the address and then you enter any close location to the area you want to add. In my case, I'm adding a street that is very close to the building I'm adding, or the location. So I enter, and then in the event you are not sure of the address, you can manually enter by tapping on Edit Map Location, and then you pin the location to the area of your choice. When this is done, you can OK, and then you go to the location within. This is usually a district or administrative area in which you are within. So you can enter a district. We move on now to add more detail tab. Here, if it is a business, you can add your working hours. That's the working hours between the daily working hour rate or range. And if it's a 24-hour service, you can then go on to check your 24-hour. You save when it is done, and you can do likewise for the rest of the days. So you save when you are done, and then you can enter your contact detail. You go on to add your website. You can even go ahead to add an opening date in the event it's a new business. Lastly, you can add photographs of the location which you want to add. And when this is done, you click on Submit, and then you receive a prompt that your location has been successfully added. Mind you, after submitting your location, it usually takes about a week or two, or possibly less, depending on the frequency with which you normally add places to Google Maps. Now, this is a display of a place that has been added onto Google Maps with the location updated in the Google Map database. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other tutorials and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about the locations you've added or any tips you might have for others. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Bye bye for now.